Hi all, welcome to Anjus universe. Today I'm going to do red chutney, tamarind chutney. So let me show you how it is done. This is the tamarind I have boiled with 2 pieces of date I have put into it, so it gives nice flavor to it. So I have boiled it and I have let it cool down for some time. Now I'm going to grind it in mixer grinder, and I have used de-seeded tamarind. You can use with seed, and you can just boil it, and after cooling down you can just squeeze it with your hand and remove the seeds, and then you can make a puree out of it. So let me do the puree and I'll tell you one by one, step by step, which items, which ingredients we need for this chutney. So here's the tamarind. I have pureed it and mixer grinder, and then I have, with the help of a strainer, I have filtered it. So this is how it will come, and this is the thing, and I have put in a gas to boil it. And let me show you the ingredients which we will add into this chutney. So this is the things we'll need. The same bowl, that pulp is there, and I have taken half bowl of sugar, and this is red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. This is salt, we'll put according to taste, and this is garam masala, homemade garam masala, and this is salt. Actually it's a dry ginger powder we'll use in this chutney. So I will put one by one into that pulp. Let it reduce the pulp little bit more, then we will add one by one into it. As you can see, it started boiling. Now I'm going to add the sugar into it. Sugar always you can add according to your taste. I like little bit sweeter, so I am adding more sugar. If you want little tangy taste, you can add little less sugar into it. So I'll wait till that sugar is dissolved into this chutney. Then I'll put other ingredients. Now our sugar is dissolved, but still it is little like runny type. I want it to be little thicker, so I'll boil little more. At this stage I'm going to add all the spices. So 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 spoon of salt, dry ginger powder, salt 1 spoon, and 1 spoon of garam masala powder. Now we'll mix it well and leave it for another 5 to 10 minutes. I think within that time it will be little thicker. I want it little thicker. See how it is. It's very thin now. Let all the spices mix into it and it becomes little thick. Then it's ready. So here's our chutney. Tamarind chutney is ready. It's nice and thick. We can eat with dahi vada and samosas, and later I'll do dahi vada video. In that I will use this chutney as a top. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.